Hello to Nicole's 54, 10 million strong and growing subscribers. I'm Bridget. I'm typically behind the camera. However, Nicole has gotten me to come in front a few more times. I think we're on box number 4?
I'm not sure. 4 or 5.
Well, we know that one was a wedding disaster and the next one was an even worse disaster, and I think we fired Wes, but I'm not sure.
Let's be truthful about the Wes situation.
Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting.
In your last video, you adamantly stated multiple times that you were going to fire Wes.
I did. Wes, you're fired. Fired, Wes. I've even said Wes is fired in other people's videos. We are firing Wes, okay? Because
They ask you if you would like to keep your stylist, if you would like a new stylist, or if you don't care. And what did you say?
full disclosure, I may have told Stitch Fix, I don't care what you do, because I didn't want it on me that somebody got fired.
You were always there for me, and we could talk for hours.
I need a very specific blue navy dress with a little bit of floral in it. And it's a dress that I'd like to wear for a wedding that's coming up in February. I also asked for a pair of green / like olivey pants. Pants always have to be long. In one of my first stitches, I had purchased, it's like this cute little blue wrap sweater. So I said, please send me something that would go with that.
Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
Are you even kidding me? Is this like one shade different than the boots they've already sent me? And I told them that I can't do big heels because of my back problems. Let's get into the burrito. We've got this black shirt that they've already sent me once.
They did already send you that.
I mean, this could go with that sweater wrap that I have, but it's just taking two very heavy, not even jewel tone colors and putting together. It's a navy dress with really big ass florals, which I only like tiny florals. I do like the brand Liverpool jean, but I don't want to wear a boot cut, and this looks very wide all over. But we'll try things on. So, the fact that none of it represents what I asked for and nobody listened to me, I'm gonna say they gave me Wes.
Wes.
I told you!
Because no one can be perfect.
Guys are up here.
Bridget is modeling the first 3 pieces in the box. We're going to start up top with the Emery Park Dulce short sleeve knit top in black.
The shirt is comfortable. It's got a little like scallop, so it
Okay, yeah.
shows the hip area. I mean, it's just not my style. It's a bit much. So this is a Liverpool jean. It is in a mid-rise. Does the tag say if this is a long length or not? No. So this is just a size 16 meteorite wash. But it's a good length for wearing a heeled boot, and it does have a lot of stretch to it.
To go along with the boot cut jean, Wes sent these Report Footwear major side zip heeled boots.
The heel is too high for what I've asked for. It does have a nice side zipper, which is easier to get into, but only one of the sides of the zippers actually work. The other one is a fake zip. This whole outfit is an example of how my stylist hasn't listened to me. So let's take a break and get into something else.
Okay, so Bridget's back, and now she's modeling the Evolution by Cyrus Ingram Shawl Cardigan in burgundy.
This is really soft and comfortable. There's no buttons or anything. It's just kind of a shawl. Thought there were pockets here, but this is just an unnecessarily pleat for extra flouncy floochiness, I guess. So I paired it with this wrap sleeveless number by 41 Hawthorne that I got in like one of my first boxes. And I've been having a hard time finding anything to go with it. And so I said, send me something. And I feel like this is just, it feels collegial. It feels like college colors of a team or something.
This is the Fortune and Ivy Irene faux wrap brushed something dress in navy.
It's very, very soft. I like the sleeves do this little flouncy thing right here. So when I turn around, you'll notice that it's a shorty long, where it's short in the front and long in the back.
Can we see the front of it again?
Side action. They don't try to match the panels by any means. You get this breakage, and then worse is it goes right down the split. I'm sure a lot of people look really cute in this dress. After a few drinks, I might feel cute in this dress, but not for the intended purpose.
Baby, I'm just too tired to talk.
Fifth box was on 5 for 5 was. So we're gonna open up the bag of rejection. We're gonna open it real wide.
Those are a $60 boot.
Okay, in the bag, going in the bag.
Next up, this black shirt. We should know how much it costs because we've seen it before.
If I remember right, this was $48.
34
So not for 34. Going in the bag.
in the bag.
Next up are these jeans. These jeans are by Liverpool.
They're 78.
Oh wow, okay. I wouldn't say a total miss because it got me to consider it because of how well they fit me. But I'm not looking for a man with some thumb rings, you know, it's just not my thing. So in the bag. Next up is this more flounce to the ounce cardigan. How much was this?
58.
In the bag. And there's this. This was a perfect example of how the stylist says we tried to come close and really they just didn't listen. So this also goes in the bag. So we have a 5 for 5 of rejection. But it's my fault. When I do my checkout, I will again let my stylist know where there were misses and also let him know that it is you, not me, and I am gonna fire Wes.
Yes.
You heard it here. So that's it. That was my 5th video with my 5 for 5 going in the bag. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, be sure to like our videos, share our videos, hit that subscribe button so that you can see more of what's coming up. And
I don't even know why.
where does this even go? Where does this go? Does it go under the fat or does it go under the boob?
Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings.